I just want to say that it's amazing for us to be here, for me in particular to be here. This is my first year and it's so impressive. I would like us to give a round of applause to these kids. They are amazing. They are so amazing. The boldness they carry in them, the intelligence they have, it's so amazing. And I'll call on us all as parents to keep pushing them, identify their talents and encourage them to do it and to do it well.
While the presentations were going on, I was very impressed with everything that happened, because with my own kids, some of them that I thought were timid, when I saw Jeff presenting here, I didn't even recognize that as my son.
So it's a big sacrifice you are doing, and we greatly appreciate that effort. And you are trying to bridge a missing link that the elderly generation did not have.
These children are truly the future for tomorrow. And if they are the children of tomorrow, therefore we have to support them in whatever way we can.
What we have seen from our kids is testimony that we don't have a shortage of ideas. We have a lot of potential.
I think I've been following up what people are doing on YouTube, Facebook, what has been happening in India in the previous big camps that we organized. I've been following it up, and I was really like, when will this come to Bermuda?
In this particular field of IT, robotics, drone technology, it's something that is actually lacking, right? Children in China, by the age of 3, 4, 5, right, they're already getting used to this. Japan, the United States, right? Why don't we also bring this to our own kids?
Ce programme a été fait en partenariat avec l'entreprise Neftech et avec l'appui du PNUD.
Désormais, ces enfants dont l'âge varie entre 7 et 17 ans savent fabriquer et monter divers objets.
Je me suis inscrit pour ressortir avec des connaissances vivantes en électronique, en mécanique, et pour savoir aussi fabriquer des choses.
But have you seen how they are presented here? I must say that makes the day come fast.
And I want to say it is a very good program because I've seen the talents from the other levels, and I wish my children to continue up to level 5.
Impacting our children with this knowledge, and not only programming, robotics and so on, and leadership skills. I'm very happy about what we are doing because we are really positioning them in the future very well.
The tech teachers, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Kids, I want to thank you so much for being so obedient. Thank you for accepting to come to the HTC. So to the parents, I want to also say thank you. It is because of you that we have this program. Part of what they have learned, you see in them as they grow, you see in them as they go back to school, and as a journey through life. Thank you so much, Mr. Ivo. Thank you so much for honoring this invitation to come. Thank you to UNGP for staying with us since 4 years ago on different projects. We are so honored and we are so grateful.